Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about update of baby steer terrarium that I made couple of months back. So before proceeding to the update about the baby steer terrarium, just have a look at the video clip when I built it. So here is my baby steer hanging terrarium. See here in this area I planted a big vine of baby steer and that died. The reason could be, see, when you build a terrarium you should select a baby plants and not the mature plant, because the soil is less and if you plant a mature plant in it, there is a possibility that plant will not survive in this in the terrarium atmosphere. So always take a baby plants, small plants for the terrarium. The vine which was planted here was the mature vine and that died. When I built it, it was a month of May. The season was very hot. That could also be the reason of dying of the baby steer plant. Then this earth star. Why I made this hanging terrarium? I wanted to see the trailing vines of baby steer, so I made it hanging. I planted earth star into it and I kept it out. I kept this terrarium out. This is a south facing window where I have kept it. The reason of keeping it out is that the earth star, the color of the earth star plant is pink. If you'll plant this earth star indoors, the color will change, it will turn to green. So I wanted to maintain its color, and that is possible when you will keep it out. So I kept it out, so the color is maintained as it is kept out. The plant, baby steer plant, which was planted here, that was a baby plant and is doing well. It's growing nicely. As the season is going on, that is the monsoon season is going on, very less sun these plants are getting, and the baby steer plant that love the sunlight, so it's going in a search, or it's going in upward direction. It's like it's going in a search of a sun. At the back here I planted the Arabia plant. See, again the same thing, the Arabia plant was a baby plant, but the season was the summer season. That was too hot in Mumbai and the terrarium was hang little bit upward. It was difficult for me even to water it. So that could be the reason. The season was hot. This is a glass vessel, glass container, and it was kept out. That could be the reason the Arabia plant died. If I would have kept it inside, there is a possibility that Arabia plant would have survived. But the thing is, Arabia plant is not alive in this, but the earth star and this small baby steer plant is alive. So that is a good sign. That is the first step in any terrarium. When you make that terrarium, after building the terrarium, plant should stay alive. So that first step is achieved. Over the period of time, this baby steer plant will get spreaded over all over the terrarium, and finally I will get the trailing vines coming out of this terrarium. So it will take a time of 1 year to get that jungle kind of a effect in a terrarium. And it was hanged here outside the window. I water it. This is a south facing window. I water it when the soil is dry. This earth star and baby star, they do not like the soggy soil. Just be at the drier side. When the soil is dry, that time only I water. And see, these plants are doing well and I'm happy with it. So this is about the baby star, hanging baby star terrarium update. Hope you have liked it. I will just show you my another basket in which I have planted the baby star plant. So if you'll see my video of building terrarium, baby star terrarium, I use the plants from this basket, the earth star also and the baby star plant also, a couple of months back. That time, after taking out the bunches of baby star from this planter, the planter became empty and now again it's full. So this way, this is a growth of baby star plant, and this monsoon season is very favorable in growth of baby star plant. So guys, this is the end of the video. So please give a thumbs up, please like this video, share and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it, and stay tuned. Show your support to my channel to see more and more plant work from me. Bye bye.